Hi everyone, we're here at Leach Camper Sales in Lincoln and we are in the 2016 Launch 24 RLS travel trailer. Let's check it out. Here is the interior view of the Launch travel trailer. Right next to the door we have a good sized storage cabinet with the slide and awning controls on there. Moving on from there, we have an RV refrigerator. Three-burner stove with an oven, the stove cover. Above that we have the range hood and microwave. Nice cabinets that go all the way around the top. There's a double well sink in the counter here with some more storage underneath. Nice long counter space. Sofa at the rear of the trailer. In the slide out we have the booth dinette, surrounded by all these nice windows. We have the entertainment center, the TV. Through this door is the bathroom. The thermostat is located on the wall that's right outside the bathroom. We have a nice size shower with the pull to close doors. Skylight above. Mirrored medicine cabinet with the sink below. There's the toilet, and there's a sliding door that separates the bathroom from the bedroom. On that side there's a curtain that separates the bedroom from the rest of the area. A nice sized bed with some storage on either side. Let's check out the outside. Here's the outside of the Launch travel trailer. We have electric jack, triple folding stairs, nice sized awning, and some outside speakers. It also has the rain gutter spouts. Spare tire carrier is on the back of the trailer. Here we can see the one slide. This does have an exterior shower. If you would like to see this or any of our other used travel trailers, we are on the corner of 27th and Cornhusker Highway in Lincoln, Nebraska, or all of our inventory can be seen on our website, leachrv.com.